So next I'm going to make a whipped hair butter. We're going to use cocoa butter, shea butter, the coconut oil, and the hair oil that we infused earlier. Vitamin E oil, and this is sweet orange essential oil. Okay, here I have 70 grams of cocoa butter and 60 grams of shea butter. Okay, so I'm going to add the oil to that. That's 61 grams. And like 16, like 77 grams of oil. So that should be fine. And then I'm going to let this heat up. I'm going to put it back in our pot. Once this melts, I'm going to set it to the side to cool down. And once it's cool, but it's still liquid, then I'm going to add the essential oil and the vitamin E oil. And then I'm going to mix that in, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to cool and solidify. And then I'm going to take it back out and whip it. Now this recipe is originally for 100 grams, and I've doubled it because the container I'm going to use, this is just a old product container, is 340 grams. So I'm making now 200 grams of this so that it'll be able to fit in that container. Even when I whip it, it'll increase in volume and it'll still be able to fit in this container. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 gram of vitamin E oil. Okay, so I added the vitamin E oil, and I added a little bit of essential oil. I'm going to mix that up, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it can get solidified. Okay, this is the hair butter, and I've actually left it in the fridge overnight. I put it on the counter to get to room temperature. So now I'm going to whisk it up. So I finished whipping it, and this is the texture. It's really smooth, and it smells so good. It smells like a bag of chocolate chips. Okay, so this is the container I'm gonna put it in. Actually looks like I might need another container too. So all of the whipped butter fit in here just fine. And you can also use this for your skin, not just your hair.